ਸਾਈਕਲ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਜਲਦੀ ਪਿਕਅਪ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਕਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ਾਮੇ ਲਾ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਕਰ ਦੇ ਮਾੜੀ As I told you that this is an old guy and the family is keeping care of him.
Okay.
They don't want to put him into the home.
Old homes, yeah.
Doesn't matter what condition of their home. Yeah, they are like to serve him.
Yeah.
Okay. This is also that I was talking about the
Clean the teeth and the...
clean the teeth. It's quite hot. It's like a chili, but it's really better for the teeth.
Okay.
If you chew like that.
On the branches.
Yeah, it's a natural.
Okay.
It's a natural remedy. Remedy.
Hamdi.
Yes.
I wouldn't want you out of respect, but can I point my camera in front of you?
You do that.
Okay.
This is a historic. We sit on. When you were sitting on a chair, I was sitting on a different.
Yeah.
So this our prophet, when he came to our village, he had like manja like this.
Okay.
So the people kept that.
Okay. Yeah.
Historic.
Where he used to sit,
Yeah, he used to sit.
Okay. Nice. And around what time does that?
16.
Wow. Okay. I thought you were going to say like 19 something.
No,
no,
16.
Wow. Okay. So how old is the village?
Village is very old. It is about 13.
Wow. Okay. What are those books?
Those books are religious
writings of
reading.
Okay.
This is a drum. Trump.
Okay.
Used to be like in use in the wars. So we people.
Okay. Is it always open here or it's closer in the night?
It's open at the night with security.
Okay.
If some police people sometimes to make the communal fight, they start disregard to each religion.
Okay.
Some devil people do that.
Yeah.
Sikal, sir. He's a journalist from our area.
Is he? Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Educated man.
Yes.
He lives in the village also?
No, he's
Okay.
from our surrounding
Okay.
territory.
Okay.
थोड़ा These are the farming meetings to protest for their rights and like that.
Okay, okay.
This is the way we sit together in a home.
And discuss like what's going on.
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, सत श्री अकाल सारा Yeah, he is a man, he is an agent who's sending our kids to the fort.
Okay.
Picture was.
Yeah. Right. Want to hold? Oh no, that's okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Kelly?
Huh?
Kelly's?
हाँ बस ऐसे.
Okay. Right. धन्यवाद.
He's from Canada.
Oh. Yeah.
Kids से बोले. New Brunswick.
बेटे को.
बेटे.
आगे तो देख रहे
हैं? हाँ बस देख दें.
It's okay. Good.
He sent a lot of people to Canada.
Yeah. Good thing. Did you send that Jagmeet Singh or?
Jagmeet Singh ने तो नहीं भेजा.
नहीं, it's okay. नहीं, sorry. वो तो मिला था पहले काफी टाइम हो गया ना.